When we talk about cellular function, cellular life, we talk about transcription and synthesis of RNA. Now we are talking about the presence of double-stranded RNA, which interferes or which is involved in degradation of messenger RNA. The question comes from where these double-stranded RNA molecules come to the cell. हम एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप को देखें या सेल को इटसेल्फ देखें, एक नॉर्मल सेल को, इन बोथ द कंडीशंस वी कैन हैव दिस पॉसिबिलिटी. नॉर्मल सेल में माइक्रो आरएनए के नाम से आरएनएज जो हैं वो सेल के अंदर सिंथेसाइज किए जाते हैं. एंड देन दीज माइक्रो आरएनएज दे गो आउट इन द साइटोप्लाज्म एंड देयर दे फंक्शन टू डिग्रेड द आरएनएज, single-stranded RNA molecules which are present in the cell. But experimentally, it is possible that these double-stranded RNA molecules can be prepared in the lab and then they can be injected into the cell or they can be given to the cells. These double-stranded DNA molecules, they enter into the cell and then they perform their function to interfere with the gene expression by degrading the mature messenger RNA molecules which are ready for translation. इन दोनों किस्म के RNA को हम अगर आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहें तो we can use the term exogenous and endogenous. Exogenous RNA molecules which we inject into the cells, which are prepared out of the cell. Endogenous are the one which are prepared by the cell and they are functioning within the cell. Naturally, अगर देखा जाए तो vectors are the source of these RNA molecules. If we think about the viral nucleic acids, there are some viruses which have double-stranded RNA genome. If that nucleic acid enters into the cell, it can work as the siRNA and it can interfere with the gene expression process. एक टिपिकल siRNA का स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए तो ये आपके सामने है, having overhangs of 2 nucleotides with 3' hydroxyl group present on both the ends and the 5' end has the phosphate group attached with it. Length 20 to 24 base pairs vary करती है. And if we talk about it diagrammatically, this is how it happens within the cell once the double-stranded RNA is injected into the cells. Once we inject this double-stranded RNA, it enters into the cell, the enzyme becomes functional, whose name is dicer. This one. This dicer enzyme comes to the double-stranded RNA molecules and is responsible for the generation of these small siRNA molecules. One of the strand of these siRNA molecules look for the complementary sequences present in the messenger RNA, makes the base pairing there, and then there comes the other enzymes which causes the degradation of messenger RNA. In this way, we perform this siRNA mediated gene silencing.